This video is going to discuss current, power, and voltage. The objective is that students will be able to recite the equations and properties of current electricity. So far in this unit we've talked about static electricity. And static means that it's not moving, it's stationary. It's just a buildup of charge that doesn't go anywhere or do anything, or it does stuff but it doesn't move anywhere. So we're going to talk about current electricity now. And this is when charge is flowing. So basically you have moving electrons. In fact, the definition of current is the rate at which charge flows through a conductor. So the equation for current is I equals delta Q over delta T, which means current equals charge over time. So the I stands for current. I don't know why it's an I, but that's what it is. And it's measured in amperes, which is usually abbreviated as just amps. And the symbol for the unit is A. Delta Q is charge, measured in coulombs like it has been for Coulomb's law, which is represented by C. Then the T stands for time, measured in seconds like it always is. The equation relating power, current, and voltage is P equals IV. So the P stands for power, measured in watts, just like it always has been. The I stands for current, measured in amps again, and V is voltage, measured in volts. Named after Volta, who did a lot of work with electrical stuff. Now we're going to talk about resistance. Resistors are objects in the circuit that reduce current, so they resist the flow of current. And they're found in all kinds of electronic, that looks like a typo. Yeah, that should be electronic, not electric-tronic, whatever that means. Devices like phones, computers, stereos, lights, and TVs. Like in dimmer switches on lights. If you have a dimmer switch in your house where you can turn a knob or use a slider to change how bright the light is, there's resistors in there that are responsible for more or less current getting to the light bulb, making it brighter or dimmer. Same thing with volume on anything, TVs, stereos, your phone. Volume is controlled through resistance. The more the resistance, the lower the current, so the lower the volume. So turning up the volume is actually reducing the resistance in the circuit. The equation that involves resistance also involves current and voltage, and it's I equals V over R. And this is called Ohm's law, named after a guy named George Ohm who discovered it. And the delta V stands for voltage, just like before, measured in volts. The I is still current, measured in amps. And the R stands for resistance, measured in ohms, which is represented by this kind of horseshoe-looking symbol, which is Greek letter omega, the last letter of the Greek alphabet. All three of these equations, I equals V over R, P equals IV, and I equals Q over T, all represent the same types of current. So depending on what else is given in the problem, you can use these equations interchangeably to find all the other things. That's it for this video. Make sure you take the Edmodo homework quiz and bring your notes with you to next class. Thanks for watching.